basic principle behind AI is to create algorithms and models that can analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that data. AI can be divided into two main categories: rule-based AI and machine learning ML-based AI. Rule-based AI uses pre-programmed rules to make decisions, while milliliters-based AI uses algorithms to learn from data and improve over time. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human-like intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and perception. Machine learning algorithms can be supervised where the model is trained on labeled data, and supervised where the model learns from unlabeled data, or semi-supervised, a combination of the two. Natural language processing (NLP) is a branch of AI that deals with the interaction between computers and humans using natural language. NLP allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Computer vision is another branch of AI that focuses on enabling computers to interpret and understand visual data from the world around them. This includes tasks such as object recognition, facial recognition, and image segmentation. AI systems require large amounts of data to learn and improve. This data can come from a variety of sources, including sensors, social media, and customer interactions. To develop an AI system, data scientists and engineers must first identify the problem they want to solve and determine what type of AI model is best suited for that problem. As AI continues to evolve, it has the potential to transform a wide range of industries, from healthcare to transportation to finance. However, there are also concerns around the ethical implications of AI, particularly with regards to privacy, bias, and job displacement.